Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. This one is another chunky one and it's a semi-hard cover. I used a food box of some sort as my base and obviously covered it over. So the journal measures 8 by 4 by 1 3/4 of an inch with 3 signatures, 90 pages front and back. It will be listed in my shop and it will have a free shipping offer today. So let's go inside. Now I've used many kits in here. I will try and mention everything as I go through. So these papers here from ARTYmaze, and they are they're a freebie. I think it might be April's freebie. So you can see there it's quite a chunky one. Just trying to get my light in at a better angle. We'll see. Right, so it's another chunky one. This image here is from Ruby and Pearl. This is some book page music book page, yeah, and it's Welsh. That didn't sound right when it was coming out my mouth, but anyway. And I backed that onto some thicker paper, stitched around, put the words Precious Memories on there. This has actually got a fabric spine, there's little bits of thread stuck to that. And yeah, so that's the cover. This again is ARTYmaze. That's from that month. I think it's the April freebie month. Here we've got some tabs. We've got pockets. There's stenciling on the pages. Now I've got a mixture of ephemera. I've got some ARTYmaze ephemera. I've got some Tsunami Rose, and I have got Artful Era Gallery. If you'll find in the description box below a link where you can get to 10% off from Artful Era Gallery on their Etsy, so go check that out. The link will automatically gives you the 10% at checkout, but if not, you can put the word in Yvonne in capital letters, that's YVONNE, and that will get you 10% off at anything in the shop. So it's some more. I think this is there from there as well. The tabs I made, I don't actually have that punch, but somebody a couple of years ago sent me some of these punched, and I've kept some as like templates so that I can just draw around. This is just some coffee dyed paper and some stenciling. We've got a flip out, got a tag in there, that's ARTYmaze. And I've actually got a little video coming up with this, just like a book page pocket insert, and you'll see how to do that. That will probably come up in the next day or two. Some embellishments here. This is from Tag Fabrication, which is a 2 kits, one from ARTYmaze, one from Tracie Fox, and there's, I don't know how many pages, I think there's like 20 odd pages in each kit with lots of tags and embellishments. So that is from that. Here we've got some more tags. Again, that is from Artful Era Gallery. It's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it? ARTYmaze, Artful Era. Another pocket here, some more stenciling on this, a coffee dyed bat. A little bit of stenciling there. It's very faint, it's not like in your face bold stenciling. Here we've got a flip there. I better check that I'm in frame. Am I? Yes, I am. Excuse my squeaky chair. Tag in there, that's ARTYmaze. And obviously you can see there's a pocket there as well. And we've got a tag in there, that's ARTYmaze as well. That flips up, and we've got a tag in here. So there's multi-pockets there. Some stenciling, another one of those tabs, center of signature. Some stenciling here. Right, this here is just a little flip out envelope-y thing, and there's a tag in there. Obviously that's open, it opens up like that, so you can journal in there and or stuff things inside. And then that goes in, or it can go that way. That can go that way. And then we can just tie that in a little bow. Maybe not that easy, I'm rubbish at bows, I really am. And these nails don't help. Yep, that's like a flip out envelope thing. We've got another tag here from ARTYmaze, and this is from Artful Era. Another tab here, some stenciling here. That's a flip out. We've got a tag here, some squared coffee dyed paper with some stenciling. Another tag in there. That's from one of ARTYmaze's French ephemera kits. And that is actually a book page pocket. Some more ephemera and postcard. Don't know who that's from now, because I did have bits and bobs out. So this is Artful Era, ARTYmaze. You will find all the links below. This was when I was coffee dyeing. What I was doing was laying the paper down, just soaking my stencils with coffee and then just laying them on. And I got that marks, not this one, because this is stencil. Just like playing around with things just to get different unusual markings. Little flip there, some stenciling. This is ARTYmaze, some letter ephemera, and that goes there. And then here we've got a little pocket and a layaway tag, which is a printable from ARTYmaze. And then here we've got a flip out, some stenciling, some French ephemera from ARTYmaze. In the centre here is just a blank, well, it's just various papers coffee dyed, but they're not patterned, so that you've got lots of journal space in the middle, just like so. And then here onto the third signature, a tag. That's from the tag fabrication kits, ARTYmaze Tracie Fox. This is from Artful Era, so is this. Yeah, so please check that out. This with a 10% discount. I was actually having a look earlier today. They've got some nice Christmas bits on there, which will be fun because it's heading that way now, isn't it? Christmas. Can't believe it. We haven't even really had a summer here yet. It's hot and muggy and miserable. You know, it's rained a lot, but we haven't actually had, you know, like nice weather. It's just awful. And that's another flip out like so. Got a tag in there. That was my experimenting paper. Little stamp there. And that's obviously a tuck as well. You can tuck things in behind here. We've got a tag there. And then here we've got some more ephemera. Artful Era, ARTYmaze. Tag fabrication, Artful Era. We have a tab here, and then on there we've got a postcard. Just folded that in half because it was rather big for that page. Got a not a postcard, a tag there from ARTYmaze. And then here we have another pocket. And that's ARTYmaze, that's Artful Era. Era? No, it's Era. I would say it's Era. Oh, that flips down. What am I doing? So that's another flip down. Artful Era here. Tag fabrication. Little bits and bobs in here. Little tag. That's from Artful Era as well. Some lace trim, side tuck, tag, and a postcard there. Centre of the signature. We have here a postcard, some letter ephemera, and a tag there from ARTYmaze. Bit of stenciling here and there. A little flip, somewhere to write. Got another flip here, another tag. In fact, that would be good just to sit in there. That flips, you can write on here as well. Then we've got a tag inside there, and that's just been decorated there. Here we've got a tag from Tag Fabrication. This is from Artful Era and Tag Fabrication. That's Artful Era as well. Tab there. Some more pieces here. And this is like a kind of full envelope-y thing. That's from Artful Era. That flips out. That goes on there like so. We've got that tag from Tag Fabrication. Little postcard here from Artful Era. And Artful Era again. ARTYmaze French ephemera. And that is it. That is it. So if you're interested in this journal, it will be linked below. And I love the side views of journals. I like seeing all the different like layering inside and the different things that you can just see peeking out. So yeah, yeah, all the links will be below. Have a look at the description box for other information, and if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.